In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Epson Projector to a speaker. So there are normally three ways to do so. There is the wired option using an example the RCA. There is the other wired version, which is using the HDMI ARC if supported, or there is Bluetooth. And of course, that's if your projector supports that as well. So you'd like, first of all, to check your projector audio output options. Look at the back panel for an audio output. Usually it is a 3.5 millimeter jack or RCA style audio output. Check if your model supports HDMI ARC, which is audio return channel. You will either find it as HDMI out or HDMI ARC. Not all Epson's projectors do, so make sure to check your own. Check also if your model has built-in Bluetooth audio. It is very common in newer models like the EF or LS series. As every Epson projector has all three options, older/budget models usually only have the basic 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you have the wired connection with 3.5 millimeter, you would like to plug that audio cable basically, depending on what you have, into the projector audio output or output, connects the other end into your speaker audio input and power on both devices and play a test the sound. This is basically the simplest and most reliable method since it doesn't rely on any signal/pairing issues. If you have the HDMI ARC connection, if it's supported, you would like to connect the projector to the speaker slash soundbar using the HDMI cable throughout the ARC labeled HDMI port specifically. So, for example, the image I'm showing you here has three HDMI. One of them has audio or HDMI out or audio out, or basically ARC, as I mentioned before. So, in the projector menu, from there, you can go to settings, HDMI link, and make sure it's turned on. And audio should automatically route through the speaker once both devices are linked. A regular HDMI port won't carry audio back to the speaker, only the ARC specific port does this. And of course, if your basically Epson also supports Bluetooth on the projector remote, you should find, like example, the menu option, go to settings, A/V settings, or similar depending on the model. And basically, you'll need to find the Bluetooth option or speaker option, turn on your Bluetooth on Epson device or projector, and select connect. As example, turn on your speaker Bluetooth on, and basically put your speaker into pairing mode and also the Epson, and select your speaker from the list shown on the projector screen. And the projector without built-in Bluetooth cannot do this step, so check your model specs before assuming this option exists. Also, you can go to settings on the Epson and also audio out devices, and you can choose the correct outputs, whether it's the projector, AV system, or Bluetooth audio, depending on which connector you've used, if you are using all of them as example at once. If the sound still plays from the projector internal speaker instead of the external one, this settings is usually the fix. And if there is still no sound, of course, if after checking the correct cable/port used, HDMI link or Bluetooth enabled audio out device set correctly, if there is no sound yet, you would like to try restarting both the projector and speaker. Try a different cable to rule out, as an example, a faulty one, and check the speaker input is set to the right source, aux via versus Bluetooth via versus, as example, HDMI, just to be sure of that. So that's how you connect an Epson projector to speaker. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.